Hey, happy Wednesday, 8th graders. I just want to start with this verse today, just a little nugget of God's truth for us. Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Hey, it can be a little bit down as we look at being home and in this situation for a while. But as we stay connected to Christ, he fills us with joy and hope and peace. And when we're connected to him, then that joy and peace and hope spills out, and we can be a witness to the people around us, even if it is just our own family members or our classmates. So let's keep trusting in him. He's going to fill us with his hope and his joy that we will then share with other people. All right. I feel like some of you are probably upset with me that I made you research George Washington 2 days in a row. You know that it's kind of my lesson that anytime we work on a project, the blood, sweat, and tears part of the project is the research that leads up to the actual project. The better the research, the better the meat, the better your final product will be. So we have the meat done. We've done the research and we're ready to head into actually doing the project, what I haven't even told you about yet. We know it has something to do with George Washington. But anyway, today is a planning day, so it's probably going to be a little lighter of a day for you. Probably won't take you super long, but it's important to research hard, plan well, and then your project is going to be awesome. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have you do. Attached to your to-do list today is this information sheet. If you look at the top here, it says it is decision time. Spend some time reviewing your notes from Monday, your research notes from Tuesday, and then these events in your book. Remember, we've been studying George Washington out of our book for several units. So all of these events that are referenced in the index, you have tackled them, okay? So I've just pulled up Emily Alsberg's notes because she's the first one in the alphabet. So Emily is going to sit down and she's going to browse through her notes from Monday, okay? Her notes from Tuesday. Is she seeing any patterns, any events that are happening or coming up multiple times? She's going to look at what she's already studied here in the book. And then, in your opinion, you're going to pick the 5 most key events of his life or of his career. So those big momentous events that defined who he was. List those events, in your opinion, in chronological order right here. Okay, so let's also pick ones that spanned his lifetime a little bit. Don't pick 5 from the Revolutionary War because he was more than just a war general. And don't pick 5 from his presidency because he was much more than just a president. Over his lifetime, what were kind of the highlights, okay? Then, once you've listed your events, what you're going to go with, then put a picture, insert a picture here that depicts that event. Make sure those pictures are from authoritative sources. I know I sound like a broken record, but let's be great 8th grade historians here. That Britannica site from yesterday where the timeline was, that had great pictures in it. That would be a great site to pick from. That Mount Vernon website had great pictures, so any of those would be awesome. So your task for today is just to browse all your hard work. And from all of the information that you've accumulated, pick 5 of the most key events from his life. Make a list, insert a picture, and that's all you need to do. Tomorrow, I feel like I should have a drum roll. Tomorrow, we will have a guest visitor. Very prestigious. So be ready to meet him. He will help introduce us to what we're going to do with these events on on Thursday and Friday. If you have questions, email me or text me. Stop by the Google Meet. I'd love to see all of you. Have a great day. Go get them chargers.